Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here I am with another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to get GodMode on Windows 11 computer. Now, first right click anywhere on your screen and create new folder and rename the new folder as, copy the file name in description of this video and rename the file name as mentioned in description of this video. Now again refresh your computer. Here you can able to see your GodMode is turned on. Now double click on your GodMode. Here you can able to see access multiple file name windows at single place. So I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.